Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can remove Pixel Watch 3 band. So in the beginning, take your Apple Watch and look at the place where your belts are strapped. So both bands have those quick release buttons that you need to press in or press down in order to, take off the band. And once the button is pushed down, you want to kinda drag it towards the button, but at the same time drag it away, so like that, and the band should come right up. And the same procedure should be done on the other band as well, and that's how you take off both bands on this Pixel Watch. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.